In this video I will show you how easy it is to make a money birthday card. I have made the cut design for CRICUT and Scanncut and Silhouette, and you can buy it in my shop, and I will show you the file and the link down below in the comments. I already cut everything you need, and I always try to avoid glue because it tends to stick everywhere except for my project. So where I can, I use my double adhesive tape, as you can see, and it's with cards. I like it better as well because it doesn't get wet and it tends to bubble. So this is what I'm using for this card. I do use a glue gun in this project, but that's because I need to stick the ornament on the card, and that won't stay on with just adhesive tape or normal glue. As you can see, there's already a perforated back, so they can pull open the back of the card so the card stays whole and they can get the money out. So don't worry about that. It looks like a lot of pieces, but it's really not. It's very simple if you see how it's assembled all together, and it has a really nice effect. I will speed up a little now and just fast enough so you can just see what layer comes first. As you can see, the grass has 2 layers, just two different colors. You can also choose to do just 1 layer, that's all up to you. I thought it gave a nice effect to do 2 layers of grass. Also in this video I used a name, and in my design it's just happy birthday, so you can always change that out and put your own name in it. See how easy and fast it is, and it's all making sense, the pieces. Now, I told you in the beginning I use adhesive vinyl for the name. You can of course just cut it out in cardstock as well, but I just like to add some adhesive vinyl because of the colors, and it's easier to put on a card. And like I said before, I don't have to use glue. So whenever I can cheat with glue, I will. You might as well turn on your glue gun now so it can heat up and we can assemble the ornament on the card in just a moment. I just added some adhesive vinyl stickers to put on the ornament so it really looks like a football. As you can see, I put money in it, but you can also put candy in it or anything else you would like to put in. Now the ornament is on its place and my heat gun is ready to glue. We're gonna put it on the card, and it's really easy. You just put the glue around the ornament and keep it steady, and it will stick there good. Now the card is almost done. We just need to add some black spots to make it a real ball, soccer ball. We call it football in the Netherlands, but I know you Americans don't do that. So just add a couple of spots there and you're good to go. I hope you like this video and have learned something from it. Also, if you have any questions, just comment down below and I will answer your questions as fast as I can. If you want to see me do anything else, just put it down below in the video as well. And if you don't already have subscribed to my channel, please do, it would help me a lot. And please leave a like if you like my video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial.